In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel StreamYard subscription. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and what happens after you confirm, so the process is simple and stress-free. First, sign into your account. Open your browser and go to StreamYard.com login. Use the same login method you normally use so you land in the correct workspace. Once you're in, look to the top right of the screen for your profile menu. That's where your account controls live. Open My Account from that top right menu. This takes you to your account dashboard, which is where StreamYard keeps your key settings, including your plan details, invoices, and renewal information. If you're managing a paid plan, this is the spot where you can make changes. Next, go to Billing. Depending on your screen, you may see Billing or Manage Plan. Either option takes you to the page that summarizes your current subscription, the renewal date, and the plan level you're on. Give this page a quick look so you know which plan you're canceling and when it's scheduled to renew. Now, find the Cancel option. Scroll down the Billing or Manage Plan page until you see the button or link labeled Cancel StreamYard Subscription. It's usually near the bottom of the Plan section. Take a moment to ensure you're canceling the correct subscription if you manage more than one workspace. Click the Cancel option and follow the prompts. StreamYard may ask you to confirm your choice or provide a brief reason for canceling. Read each prompt carefully and proceed until you see a final confirmation. When you confirm the cancellation, the system will turn off auto-renewal for your subscription. That's it. Your cancellation is complete. Your subscription will stop auto-renewing, and you won't be charged for the next cycle. You'll still have access to your paid features until the end of your current billing period, so you can wrap up any scheduled streams or downloads before those features revert to the free plan. If it's helpful, note your renewal date on the billing page so you know exactly when your paid features will end. A few quick tips to keep everything smooth. Make sure you're signed in as the owner of the subscription, as only the owner can cancel. Refresh the page if you don't immediately see Billing or Manage Plan, and use a desktop browser for the clearest view of the account pages. To recap, log in, open My Account, go to Billing or Manage Plan, scroll to Cancel StreamYard Subscription, and confirm. Done. Your StreamYard subscription is canceled, and you retain paid features until your current billing period ends.